How idiots get rich. Well, look, one of the things that my mentor, Russ von Holscher, is always telling me is how amazed he is at all of these millionaires and multimillionaires he runs into who don't even have half a brain. Russ loves to play poker, and he plays all these high-stake games at his local casino in San Diego. And he's just constantly meeting people that have achieved a lot of success in business. But when he gets to talking to them, he finds out that there's absolutely nothing special about any of them, and that some of them are real idiots. Well, now listen, what is an idiot anyway? Who knows? Who knows? A lot of people when I first told all of my friends and family that I was going to be a millionaire, back in the mid-1980s, they all laughed at me. They thought I was an idiot. I was a high school dropout. I hated school. I never did well in school at all. And now here I am. I'm in my early 20s. I'm working in a factory welding mobile home frames. But because I got involved in some crazy, goofy network marketing companies that convinced me that I could make a lot of money, all of a sudden I was running around telling everybody I was going to be a millionaire. And my friends and family, they just thought that was the funniest damn thing in the world. And they laughed at my face, not even behind my back, because how ridiculous for a high school dropout, somebody that they thought was an idiot, to make a lot of money. Well, I did make a lot of money, and met my wife Eileen. Her and I built a business together. First 5 years, we generated over $10 million. We had a lot of help from a lot of people like Russ von Holscher, so we didn't do it by ourselves. But you know what? Business is not rocket science. And that's one of the things I teach all of my clients. All you have to do is get enough people to give you enough money, enough times for enough profit margin, and then you have to manage the whole thing very carefully. So there's just 5 basic steps to any business, really. Just getting enough people to give you enough of their money, enough times, at enough profit margin, with enough efficiency built into the whole thing. And so business really is not. It's not like being a rocket scientist or a brain surgeon or a doctor or a lot of other things. It's focusing on your market and trying to do what the late there's a famous billionaire. God, I can't think of his name now, but a very, very, very Onassis. What Aristotle Onassis said. He said that the secret to business is to know something very important that none of your competitors know. And that's one of the main things that we teach all of our clients. If you're one of my clients, you're already you know the main methods that we teach. We give you strategies and methods that very few, if any, other small business owners or entrepreneurs know about. Ways to systematize and automize your business, to make your business run like a well-oiled machine, to bring you a steady flow of prospective buyers who are practically standing in line with money in hand. The best of everything we've done over the last 30 years to generate many, many, many tens of millions of dollars for ourselves and our clients are now yours. So there are some real shortcut secrets, but look, in the beginning, when Eileen and I didn't know anything, when we were first getting started, we had help from Russ von Holscher. He was our first mentor. He had over 20 years of experience at the time. We simply did everything he told us to do. We didn't question any of it. Did it exactly like he told us. It was only years later we started questioning things and doing things a little different. We did everything he told us to do, and we made millions. We were like little Forrest Gumps. If you remember that movie with Tom Hanks in it from the 90s, Forrest was mentally challenged, put it that way. He was just one of those special needs kind of person. He wasn't that bright. And yet by doing everything that other people told him to do, he ended up becoming a millionaire because he invested in a fruit company called Apple, which is kind of funny. Well, it was a comedy, the whole thing was a comedy, but he found the love of his life. He had a kid. He did some amazing things with his life, because he just did whatever came next, and he did what people told him to do. So find a good mentor. If you're one of my clients, I am, of course, partial, but I know that we are the mentors for you. We're giving you the best of everything that we've used to generate many, many millions of dollars for ourselves and our clients. If you're not one of our clients, you want to know more about who I am, click on the link below. And just remember, none of this is rocket science. You can make as much money as you want to make. I don't care if it's $100,000 a year or $100,000 a month or more. You can make it. Remember those 5 simple steps I gave you. Click on the link below if you're not one of my clients, and bye for now.